Hello students, today we are going to solve more examples on compound interest. Okay, so find the difference in the compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 4 years at 10% per annum when reckon half yearly and yearly. Okay, so we have to find the compound interest when it is compounded half yearly and when it is compounded yearly, and then we have to find difference between that two interest. Okay, so obviously this when compounded or when reckoned half yearly, that interest is more than when it is reckoned yearly. Okay, so we have to find first both compound interest and then we have to find difference between that. Okay, so case first, when reckon half yearly. Okay, so we know that formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 K raised to N K. Okay, so here P is equal to 10,000, then R is equal to 10, N is equal to 4, and reckon half yearly. So in 1 year there are 2 half years, so K is equal to 2. Now we have to put all these values. So A is equal to 10,000, 1 plus R is 10, 100 K, so 100 into 2 raised to Nk, so 4 into 2. Okay, so if we simplify this, 10,000, 1 plus 10 by 200 and raised to 8. Again, if we simplify this, 10,000, this will cut 1 by 20, so 21 by 20 raised to 8. Now we have to take log on both sides. So log of A is equal to, now we will write directly this step. Okay, 10,000 into 21 by 20 raised to 8. So when we take log, it is a log of 10,000 plus log of this number 21 by 20 raised to 8. Okay, again log of 21 by 20 raised to 8. So this we can write 8 into log of 21 by 20. Okay, but again log of 21 by 20, this we can write log 21 minus log 20. So here we have to give bracket. So it is 8 into log of 21 minus log of 20. Okay, now we have to find log of all these numbers. Okay, now log of 10,000, it is characteristic is 4 point. Okay, 4.000. Okay, plus 8 into log of 21. So here characteristic is 1 point in 21 row and column headed by 0. It is a 3 2 2 2. So 3 2 2 2 minus log of 20, 1 point, characteristic is 1, and it is a 3010. So 1.3010. Now we have to simplify this, and after that we will take anti-log. So 4. Okay, only we can write 4 afterwards. If we want zeros, then we will take zeros after decimal point. So 4 plus 8 into, now this 2 minus 0 2, 2 minus 1 1, 2 minus 0 2, 3 minus 3 0, and 1 minus 1 0. So it is 0.0212. So 4 plus, if we multiply this 8, 8 2s are 16, 1, 8 1s are 8 plus 1, 9, 8 2s are 16, 1. So 8 0 0 and that 1 is 0. So 0.1696 If we add this, so it is 4.1696. Okay, so log of A is equal to this. So A is equal to anti-log of 4.1696. Okay, so here characteristic is 4. Okay, so we have to see a number in 16th row, column headed by 9, and mean differences column headed by 6. Okay, so in anti-log table, that number is 1476, and in mean differences column it is 2. So 1478. 1478. Characteristic is 4 here. So 4 plus 1, 5. So we have to give decimal point after 5 digits. So here only 4 digits are there. So give 1 0 and give decimal point. So answer is 14,780. Okay. So A is equal to this. Now compound interest is equal to A minus P. That is amount minus principal. So amount is 14,780 minus principal is 10,000. So that amount is 4,780. Okay. So in first case, when it is like an half yearly, amount is a compound interest is 4,780. Now we have to find when it is like an year. Okay, so I will rub this. I am writing this compound interest here. Case first, compound interest is equal to 4,780 rupees. Okay, now I am taking here case second, when it is like an yearly. Okay, so when it is like an yearly, formula will change. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to N only. Okay, so here if we put these values, A is equal to 10,000 into 1 plus R is 10 upon 100 raised to 4. Okay, so 10,000, it is 1 by 10, so 11 by 10 raised to 4. Now take log on both sides. So log of A is equal to log of 10,000 plus 4 into log of 11 minus log of 10. Okay, I am writing this directly. Now log of A is equal to log of 10,000, it is 4 plus 4 into log of 11, characteristic is 1. So in 11th row it is 0414. So 1.0414 minus log of 10 is 1 only. So 1 minus 1.0414 minus 1. So it is 0.0414. Okay, so 4 plus, if I multiply this inside, 4 4s are 16, 1 4 1s are 4 plus 1 5, 4 4s are 16, 1, then it is 1.0. So 4.1656. So A is equal to anti-log of 4.1656. Okay, so characteristic is 4. So we have to see the 16th row and column headed by 5, and main difference is column headed by 6. Okay, in anti-log table. So that number is in 16th row, column headed by 5, 1462 and 2. So 1464, 1464. Here characteristic is 4, so add 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, so give decimal point after 5 digits, so it is a 14640. So amount in second case it is a 14,640. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So 14,640 minus 10,000. So it is a 4,640. Okay. So in case second, compound interest is 4,640 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find the difference between these two compound interest. Okay. So I am writing here CI1 and CI2. So CI1 minus CI2 is equal to 4,780 minus 4,640. So this is 140. Okay, 140 rupees. So difference between that two compound interest is 140 rupees. Okay, understand this. Now we will take second example. Okay, second example is a sum of money is put at compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum. It would fetch rupees 482 more if the interest were payable half yearly than if it were payable yearly. Find the sum. Okay. So when it is a reckon half yearly and when it is reckoned yearly, that difference between that two amount is given 482. Okay, so we have to find both the amounts. Okay, and here we have to find the sum. Sum means that principal amount. Okay, some principal amount is put at compound interest. Okay, so we have to suppose that first let sum of the amount is P. Okay, now case first, when it is reckoned half yearly, so we know that formula A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100k raised to nk. Okay, so here P is not given, we have to find that. 1 plus R is given 20, K is 2, okay, and N is 2 given. Okay, so here R is given 20, K is given, that is a 2 when it is half yearly. When it is reckoned half yearly, then it is K is 2, N is given 2. So we have to put all this quantities in this formula. So A1, okay, we will write here A1. So A1 is equal to P into 1 plus 20 by 100 into 2 raised to 2 into 2. So P into 1 plus, it is this. So what does it mean? 1 by 10 raised to 4. So we can write P into 10 1 is 10 plus 1, 11 by 10 raised to 4. So in first case, amount is P into 11 by 10 raised to 4. In second case, so if we consider case second, when it is reckoned yearly, so when it is reckoned yearly, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to L. Okay, so value is same, that is a 10,000. Sorry, it is not, P is not given. 1 plus R 20 upon 100 raised to N is 2. So P into 1 plus 1 by 5 raised to 2. So it is a P into, if we simplify this, 6 by 5 raised to 2. Okay. Now between these two amounts, difference is given 482. Okay, so we can write here p into this amount is greater 11 by 10 raised to 4 minus p into 6 by 5 raised to 2 is equal to 482. Okay. Now we can take p common. So p in bracket 11 by 10 raised to 4 minus 6 by 5 raised to 2 is equal to 482. Now here we can use formula a square minus b square. Okay, so we can write here, p into a square. So 11 by 10 square bracket square. So this we can write 11 by 10 square a. This is a. So a minus b 6 by 5 and a plus b. So 11 by 10 square plus 6 by 5. This amount is equal to 482. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. So it is 121 by 100 minus 6 by 5 and 121 by 100 plus 6 by 5. Okay, it is equal to 482. Now if you make same denominator, we have to multiply by 20. So here 20 into 6, it is 120. So 121 minus 120 upon 100 and here multiply by 20, it is 121 plus 120 by 100 and it is equal to 482. So 121 minus 120 is 1 by 100 and 121 plus 120 it is a 241 by 100 is equal to 482. Now we have to simplify this. P is equal to this 100 into 100 10,000 multiply here and 241 divide. So 482 into 10,000 upon 241. So 241 2s are 482 and 2 into 10,000 it is 20,000. So principal amount is 20,000 rupees. Okay, that is the sum of money is equal to 20,000. Understand this? Now we will take third example. The third example is what sum will amount rupees 9,000 at 12% per annum compound interest reckon yearly for 5 years. Okay, so here we have to find principal amount which gives amount rupees 9,000 at 12% per annum compounded yearly for 5 years. Okay, so formula is amount is equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n. Okay, here it is reckon yearly, so this is formula. So what is given? Amount is given 9,000. Principal we have to find. R is equal to 12, n is equal to 5. Okay, now we have to put all these values here. So 9,000 is equal to p into 1 plus r 12 upon 100 raised to n is 5. So p into 1 plus it is divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12, 25. So 25 under 25 plus 3, 28. Sorry, here it is 3 by 25. Next step we will write. So p into 28 by 25 raised to 5. Now take log on both sides. So log of 9,000 is equal to log of p plus log of p plus log of this term. So this term we can write 5 into log of 28 minus log of 25. Okay, so this total term we have to shift here. So log of 9000 minus 5 into log of 28 minus log of 25 is equal to log p. So log of 9000, this characteristic is 3, so 3 point in 90th row, so it is 9542 minus 5 into log of 28, characteristic is 1, so 28th row it is 4472, so 4472 minus log of 25, characteristic is 1, in 25th row it is a 3979, okay, is equal to log p. Now we have to simplify this first and then we will take anti-log. So 3.9542 minus 5 into, okay, if we subtract this, 1.4472 minus 1.3979, okay, 12 minus 9 3, 6 16, 16 minus 7 9, 3 13, 13 minus 9 4, 3 0, and this is 0. So it is a 0.0493 is equal to log p. So 3.95442 minus, multiply this 5 inside, so 5 3s are 15, 5 9s are 45 plus 1 46, 5 4s are 20 plus 4 24 is 2 and 0, so 0.2465. Now subtract this, so 3.9542 minus 0.2465, okay, so 12 minus 5 7, 3, 13 minus 6 7, 4 0, 9 minus 2 7, and it is a 3, so 3.7077, okay, so 3.7077 is equal to log p. Take anti-log on both sides, so p is equal to anti-log of 3.7077, so characteristic is 3. Now in 70th row we have to see number in column headed by 7 and in mean differences column headed by 7. So in anti-log table, 70th row, okay, both are 7, no? So in 70th row it is 5093 and 8, 5093 and 8, so it is a 5101, okay, 5101, characteristic is 3, so add 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, so after 4 digits we have to give decimal point, okay, so principal amount is 5101, okay, understand this. Now we will take fourth example. The fourth example is what sum will amount to rupees 5525 at 10% per annum compounded yearly for 13 years, okay. So same way like third example, we have to find principal amount. So formula is A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n, okay. Here it is compounded yearly, so we have to use this formula. So here amount is given 5525, R is given 10, N is given 13 years, okay. So 5525 is equal to P into 1 plus 10 10 by 100 raised to 30. So 5525 is equal to P into, it is 11 by 10 raised to 30. Now take log on both sides. So log of 5525 is equal to log P plus 13 into log of 11 minus log of 10. So now we have to find value of P. So this term we have to shift to the LHS. So log of 5525 minus 13 into log of 11 minus log of 10 is equal to log P. So first we have to find log of all these numbers. Here characteristic is 3 point in 55 row or 55th row, column headed by 2, it is 7419, and in mean differences column headed by 5, it is a 4. So 7419 plus 4, it is a 7423. 7423 minus 13 in log of 11, it is a characteristic is 1.110414. 0414 minus log of 10 is 1. We can write 000 is equal to log P. So 3.7423 minus 13 into, here if we subtract, it is a 0.0414 is equal to log P. Okay, so 3.7423 minus, if you multiply inside, 13 4s are 52, 5, 13 1s are 13 plus 5, 18, 13 4s are 52 plus 1, 53, so it is 5. So it is log P is equal to this 3.7423 minus 0.538. So we have to subtract this 3.7423 minus 0.5382. 3 minus 2 1, then 12 minus 8 4, 3 minus 3 0, 7 minus 5 2, and this is 3. So 3.2041. 3.2041 is equal to log P. Now take anti-log on both sides. So P is equal to anti-log of 3.2041. So characteristic is 3. Now we have to find Mantism in 20th row, column headed by 4, and mean differences column headed by 1. In anti-log table, you have to see this number. So 20th row, this is anti-log, 20th row, column headed by 4, it is second. In 20th row, 1600, and that number is 0, so 1600. 1600. Here characteristic is 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4, and keep decimal point after 4 places. Okay, so 1600, that is the principal amount. Okay, we can write here 1600 rupees. Okay, so principal is 1600 rupees, which gives amount rupees 5525 at 10% per annum, compounded yearly for 13 years. Okay, understand this. Now we will take fifth example. Fifth example is, at what rate percent compound interest would rupees 10,000 amount to rupees 14,992 in 18 years. Okay, so principal is given 10,000 and amount is given 14,992, then n is given 18, so we have to find rate per se. Okay, so formula we know that amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 raised to n. So amount is given 14,992, principal is 10,000, 1 plus r is given, r we have to find upon 100 raised to n is given 18. Okay, so this 10,000 we have to divide here, so 14,992 divided by 10,000 is equal to, here it is 1 plus r by 100 raised to 18. So if we have to remove this 18, we have to raise the power of both sides by 1 by 18. Okay, so we have to raise the power by 1 by 18. So 14,992 upon 10,000 raised to 1 by 18, it is equal to 1 plus r by 100. Here it is 18 raised to 1 by 18, so 18 cancel, so it is 1 remain. Okay, now we have to take log on both sides. So if we take log of this number, it is okay, I'll write first as it is 14,992 upon 10,000 raised to 1 by 18 is equal to log of 1 plus r by 100. Okay, now it is 1 by 18, this become coefficient, so 1 by 18 into log of 14,992 upon log 10,000, so it is log of 14,992 minus log of 10,000. Okay, is equal to log of this. I am keeping this as it is. I am simplifying this LHS. So 1 by 18. Here characteristic is 4. So 4 point. Okay, in 14th row, column headed by 9, it is 1732, and next is 9. So 1732 and 28. 1732 and 28. 1760 minus 10,000, log of 10,000 is 4, is equal to log of 1 plus r by 100. Okay, so 1 by 18, 4.1760 minus 4, it is a 0.1760 is equal to log of 1 plus r by 100. Okay, now we have to divide this. It is 0. This is 0, again 0, then 18 nines are is 162. So 176 minus 162, 14. So 140 remain. 18 sevens are 126. So 140 minus 126, 14 remain. Okay, again. Okay, so it is 0.00977 is equal to log of 1 plus r by 100. Now take anti-log on both sides. So anti-log of 0.0097, or if we round off it, it is 98 is equal to log of, sorry, if we take anti-log on both sides, this log will get cancelled, so 1 plus r by 100. Now find anti-log of this. Your characteristic is 0. So in 0 0 row and in column 9, it is 1021, and it is in mean differences column, it is a 2. So 1023. So 1023. The characteristic is 0. Add 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1.023 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. Now I will write here, subtract this one. So 1.023 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. So this number is 0.023 is equal to r by 100. This 100 multiply, so it is a 2.3 is equal to r. So rate of percentage, it is a 2.3 percentage. Okay, so if we use rate 2.3%, then 10,000 amount will give 14,992 in 18 years. Okay, understand this. Now for more practice, solve example in given worksheet. Okay.